Hello and welcome to Sort of Search classes. Today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM Biotechnology 2019. As we know that JAM is one of the most important examination in our country for those students who want to join IIT to pursue their master degree courses. In a biotechnology paper, there are different questions based on physics, chemistry, math and biology, and we cover all of this for IIT JAM aspirants. So this is the question number 19 from section A. That means it is a MCQ type question. Hence, among these four given options, we need to find the correct one. So let's see what is in this question. Which one of the following parameters changes upon doubling the enzyme concentration, whether it is Km, Vmax, Kcat or K equation? As we know that a competitive inhibitor with a competitive inhibitor, the reaction can eventually reach its normal Vmax but it takes a higher concentration of substrate to get it there. With a non-competitive inhibitor, the reaction can never reach its normal Vmax. Okay, regardless of how much substrate we add, a subset of the enzyme molecules will always be poisoned by the inhibitor. So the effective concentration of enzyme which determines Vmax is reduced. Many enzymes act similarly to the hypothetical enzyme in the example above. Producing parabolic curves when reaction rate is graphed as a function of substrate concentration. Enzymes that display this behavior can often be described by an equation relating substrate concentration, initial velocity Km and Vmax, known as the Michaelis-Menten equation. Enzymes whose kinetic obey this equation are called Michaelis-Menten enzymes. Okay, therefore the option B is the correct answer. So we have successfully answered this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.